Hi hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to the channel. So I didn't plan on sharing this haul, but I'll go ahead and share it. It's really just some things that I wanted from Walmart, from the store, and then also some things from Lowe's, home improvement. So it's not a complete grocery haul, it's just some things that I wanted to pick up. So let's get started. Okay, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Hope, and here on the channel I love to do grocery hauls or any type of home decor hauls. I love to spend time with my family and tablescape celebrations, little home celebrations. I love to decorate for those. DIYs, I don't do those do not do those as much, but I love to do them when I have time. And I'm trying to think anything else, y'all, off the top of my head. But welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So again, this is not a big haul. I wanted to get some red seedless grapes. This is like sometimes my saving grace at night. So I had to go to my WW meeting today, and I'm down 7 pounds, y'all. I wasn't even expecting that much. But I am really motivated, and I'm determined, and I thank God, because I tell you, every day I thank God to get me through another day. So the red seedless grapes, I was talking about that in the meeting, because sometimes in the evenings is a challenge for me, but it's getting easier and easier. So I keep these in a clear container in my fridge so I can see them already clean and off the vine, so I can just grab them if I want something, and they're 0 points. I got Jason some milk, and I also got this little plant. It was $14, y'all. I think it's Better Homes and Garden, yeah. And I'm going to put it on my entryway. So I'm trying to refresh a lot of areas in the house. I have been keeping like a little book of what needs to be done in the area if I can't do it right then. I also have been decluttering. There's so many different spaces that need to be decluttered and refreshed with paint, and some things new, some things I'm just trying to use what I got and spray painted and stuff like that. So anyway, this is for my entryway, and I'm almost done with my entryway, just waiting on some light switch things from Lowe's. Okay, so then I got this start each day with a grateful heart. I wanted a really light sign to put on this little shelf that I got in the entryway. And then I got some more Sun Kids Zero Sugar. I haven't had not one of these, y'all. They like them. Jason loves them, and it probably brings back memories because Mama D, actually, my mother-in-law would get them, and that's the first time we actually tried them at her house. So if you're new to the channel, my mother-in-law passed away in December, and so I know this brings back memories. So sometimes Jason grab 2 or 3 and put them in the refrigerator or the freezer. Okay, y'all, so what prompted me to go on this trip too was the grapes and my Yasso bars, and to look for the G. Hughes sugar-free stuff. So I have tried his barbecue sauce before, but they were talking about the Yum Yum sauce. So this is, I think, 1 point. It's not a lot. But most of the sauces were 0 points, y'all, when I was scanning them. So I was like, So they were talking about this in the meeting. And they are kind of pricey. They're almost $4, most of them. And I got the teriyaki marinade. So 1 week, what I did was, I need to take my salmon out. Salmon. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to have for dinner. So I did, like, from Aldi, I got the whole chicken breast, boneless, and I marinated 1 pack. It was a small pack. I think it was the Never Any, those. And I marinated 1 with my own marinade, and then I marinated another pack. And that was a really easy meal. I'm like throwing it in the oven and cooking it. I got the steak sauce, and that's what prompted me to get the ribeyes over here. The ribeye, I have gotten these before. These are usually like $9.98. They're $12 now. And so the steak sauce 51 is not that many points anyway, but I'm gonna try it and see. I got the honey mustard sugar-free, and then the Polynesian. I know this was 0 points, because I know sometimes I'm like tempted to use what I have, and then I'm like, gosh, that's a lot of points for those condiments. So, and then I got the Sweet Heat Carolina style barbecue sauce. So I think I went over all those. So that was kind of pricey, but it's worth it, and they'll probably mainly be mine. Okay, I love, love, love the Yasso bars. I love these at night. They are actually Greek yogurt bars. I need to put them up because they've been out in the freezer for a while. They're hard to find. I do see plenty of them, or enough of them, at Food Line. But when I go to Walmart, they don't have that many, especially of these. You only get 4, and they're almost $5, but they're worth it. They're 100 calories, and I think they're like 5 personal points, but it just depends on your plan, so you just have to scan them. And then also, the sea salt and caramel is really good too. I have not tried any others. I'm not a fan of the peppermint, but they always have that one, and sometimes the chocolate chip. So those are so good. So good at night, and I drink my water and I'm satisfied. I mean, it's so good. To me, I think they're better than the WW ones, but I have not had those in a while. I got Jason some cookies, but he actually prefers the ones from Food Line now, but I was already in Walmart, so I got those. He's actually haven't been eating too many cookies. He's been eating cereal instead, so I didn't know to get it or not get it, y'all. He's finally off. He's been working, and I have some videos to edit for him. So the reason why he be putting them out is because I know he did at least 4 or 5, and I haven't even put it out. So, and if you're new to the channel, my husband has his own YouTube channel, J&W Fit Life, where he does motivation, and he's gonna do more workout videos and stuff like that. So check that out, y'all. Thank you so much for watching and going over and subscribing and supporting. He just been working a whole lot. They're short at work. Okay, so also I got these toilet wand refills, and I need to renew my Sam's membership, or I need to get the Costco. Costco is super close to us now, so I don't even know if Costco have these, but I'm sure they do. But anyway, these were $10. This is Lowe's right now. I also was looking for these the other day in Target, some type of Tide to Go pen, but I did not see them even at Walmart at the checkout or in the travel section. So I got the wipes today. It was like $4 and something. I'm always dropping something on my shirt, always. So I have to sometimes put like a makeshift bib. I don't know, it's because I'm top heavy. I'm always dropping and making stains. Like I have to, before I put my clothes in the wash, I have to keep the gel, I think it's Oxy gel, and I'll put it on my shirt before I throw it in the laundry. Okay, I got some more tape. I just like to have this on hand, and I'm painting a couple of things, some baseboards and trim and stuff, so I don't want to run out. We needed one of these. Guys, they are so expensive for the refrigerator. It was like $49, y'all. This said $59 today. $59. So I got the water filter. Oh, I meant to leave this in the car. I picked up some of the protectant wipes. I probably should have got these at Walmart, but it's okay. They weren't for $4 and something, but I wonder how much they were at Walmart. Okay. Then the Scrub Mommy, I love this sponge. I probably used the heck out of it since the last time I hauled it, and I love it. It feels hard, but when you add water, it gets soft, and it doesn't scratch up your, you know, your stuff that has the coating on it. What is the coating called? Not Teflon. Oh, y'all know what I'm talking about. It don't scratch up your cooking surfaces. So I love this one, and they didn't have it at my Lowe's. I had to go to the bigger Lowe's in Apex, I might as well say, the town we used to live in. I was looking at how so much things have changed. Anyway, I got the Eraser Daddy 10 times with scrub and gems, and they don't have this at all at our Lowe's. So I was glad to see some different options, because this store is so much bigger than our closest store. They have more home decor and everything. I got the garbage disposal. I have never tried this one in particular. I was looking for something different. Maybe the Sandy Sticks or something like that, but they only had these, so I got that. Oh, and I want to use this for our shower. Okay, then I got a basket, y'all, and all the baskets. It don't matter if it's Target, if it's where else did I go? I didn't want to go in Marshalls and stuff and look. They might have been a little bit cheaper. But I like the style of this basket. I love the color of the basket. But it's not, I forgot what the dimensions were. I really wanted an 18 by 18 basket because that's the size that we already have. So I like to have lots of storage for their shoes at the door. Of course, they don't need every shoe they own down here, but JJ and Jason have large feet and their shoes take up like a big bin. Also, they go outside and play basketball or football, and sometimes I know it's a pain to go all the way in the garage and get the ball. So sometimes they just leave the ball right there in the entryway and they'll put it like inside of the shoe bin. So I hope this is big enough. I was like, it don't need to be too big because they have plenty of places to put their shoes now. I added another extra storage. So that's it, y'all, that I picked up from the store. I hope you guys are doing great and just being blessed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.